Here, I'll hold the plane for you.
Yeah, here.
Make yourself useful. Ah! Oh, so you did it at the wrong time?
Yeah.
They're super quiet.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
Speed brake closed. I like that. Hold on.
You just didn't
Give me a
see
second.
that?
No, I don't have. I just didn't turn it on.
Timer cleared. Take off flaps.
Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
The wind pushed me. It's more over us. Okay. Wind. It's kind of pushing everywhere. Yeah, I feel it. It's like almost like swirling. So I can't really set a line. It says you're like cutting over on the line. Thing flies good though, Frey.
Oh, yeah.
But when it's working, I think it's
I'm gonna do a fast pass down the runway.
That's the factor when it's working.
Yep.
That's full power?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm coming back downwind.
A lot of people are saying it's underpowered.
It's not.
They don't know what they're talking about.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Does this look underpowered?
No. It's far from underpowered.
I know it's not.
I'm gonna do a real slow one on this one. It's alright, it's not you as an updraft. Did the same thing to me.
Let's do one together.
Go. Well, the wind kicked me up, so.
30 seconds.
Yeah, the wind's the hot air. That's pretty cool. Look how slow it can go.
Pretty light.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so it's pretty efficient for what it is.
He already did that. Look at that shit. I like that.
129. Landing flaps.
I'm loving how that thing lands.
Dude, this MiG is redonkulous. Redonkulous.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah,
Hey Ray, if I arm it with throttle cut, do I gotta like recalibrate it?
For what?
This, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So make sure it's off. There's a way to set that right. Ask Keon. He showed us how to
I
do
have
it.
done it too, and I don't usually need to. Dude, the CG was a little too out. You need it forward.
I moved my battery all the way forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the CG is right now, and I have just a little bit of up, it's perfect.
Okay. Cool. It's a good looking little bird.
It is.
That was an 80 and a 90 flying together.